Alrighty, number 21. Kiara downloaded 264 photos from her cell phone to her computer. These pictures took up 528 megabytes of space on the computer. Each picture took up the same amount of space. How many megabytes do 35 of these pictures take up? This is definitely a multi-step question. We know that she has 264 pictures, and they take up this amount of space. We need to first figure out how much each picture takes up, so we're going to do some division. 528 divided by 264. Yuck! But I know this is, well, that's 0 obviously, and it doesn't go into 52. So it's either once or twice. So I'm going to pull over. And remember that division's a guessing game. You have to try something. So that's 8, that's 12, that's 5. Oh, yay! Exactly that many times. And luckily there's no answer of 2 over here, because that would be tricky and you'd probably want to choose it. But then now it says how many megabytes do 35 pictures take up? That's when we would take 35 and multiply by 2 and get 70 megabytes.